来看瑞士的科学家透过创新的镭射扫描技术，用3D 列印的方式印出一支机械手骨，有骨头、有筋肉，袂输是真的同款。
镜头当一个，这支机械手骨的动作，就和真正的人同款自然。瑞士苏黎世联邦理工学院的研究人员，透过创新的镭射扫描技术，结合新型的3D 列印，会当一摆印无同材质的材料，互机械手骨的结构和动作拢真有路。
And we can give it tendons, we can give it ligaments, we can give it a capsule, we can reassemble the bones, and all of this happens with one print process.
传统的3D 列印是伫个电脑控制之下，甲原料一层一层一直塌起来，再用主外顶甲每一层拢固化。但是这过程干来让处理一寡较紧坚冻的塑胶料。瑞士这个研究团队是用固化时间较长，较会当春久嘛较耐用的塑胶料去做较需要活动的筋这种部位。
And what this printing technology enabled us is to have the soft parts be really springy, so have a low viscosity. So when I touch it, it actually springs back immediately. And this allows us to have a more natural robotic arm compared to the one that we were able to manufacture before.
研究团队搁伫3D 列印机加装镭射扫描，检查每一层材料敢唔平，再去调整后一层使用的材料量，确保上尾的成品会当真完美到做伙。
And then here we have fishing line tendons that interface with the actually printed tendons and connect them to these motors down here. And if I pull on one of these fishing line tendons, then I can actually move the finger.
相关的研究结果和新谱的应用已经发表伫自然期刊。研究人员讲，后一步会继续探索新的技术和医学用途的结合。公司新闻简文编译。